Hi YouTube, in this video I will teach you on how to convert my previous project, which is a Metro panel slide, to VV.net. I already prepared a sample project from where I already add the reference to the Metro framework and also the transition DLL. So basically this is an empty project wherein I only get one form, which is the Metro form BB, and then we will create the panel slider from scratch based on the C# version. I set up my screen side by side with the C# project and the BB project. Okay, so on the BB project, let's add a folder. Let's just say panel. Then create a new user control. Let's name it slide panel. Okay, and then let's open a C# version first, the other side. Okay, and one by one we will convert this to BB. Okay, so where are we going to place this? Let's first create the initialization. This one, we have the panel slider initialize component. What's the counterpart to BB? For this one, we can just add it in under designer in VV.net. Then let's just create sub. Yeah, that's it. And then this another initialization from where we accept one parameter, which is the owner form. Then sub new owner as form. Then we also need to add the me initialize, call this one that new. Then this one, me this visible false, me that visible false, and then this piece of code. Okay, let's just copy. Since we don't have this owner, let's declare it, this one, at the top. Dim owner as form is equals to nothing. Dim loaded as boolean equals to false. Okay, let's clean this up. Owner is equals to owners. Let's remove the semicolon. Controls from add, then change to me. Then remove the colon, me. Then resize. Let's just leave this. Let's remove this because we can already handle it from the then resize form. Let's remark this while we are waiting for the okay. So basically what we already made is this portion and this portion. Okay, so now we will create this handler. Okay, so let's go to the VV code. Let's create the this one we don't need to make this anymore because there's a different version in BB on how to raise an event. And next one will be this owner part resize. So let's just make this one.
Owner resize. Resize, which accepts a sender as object and the E as event. Oops. Enter. Save.
Let's go back to the designer, then enable this. Let's convert this into VB.
Owner. Add handler. Owner. Point. Resize. Add as of. Owner. Resize. So we just
attach a handler for the resize event of the main form, or the form that from where we are going to add this sliding panel, and then we will call the owner resize function. Okay, so next one we will just convert this resize form. Let's go back to the slide panel, resize form. Okay, let's just enable the designer. So that's it. Let's save. Basically we have done this part. Public sub swipe, optional bypal, show as boolean equals to false. Enter. Okay, then set me visible when true. That error. So what we just need to do is click down, then import transition. That's it. Now our error. Okay, so
we'll add some basic attachments of transition. That add just me, which is the panel sub. Then we will attach the left property, and then so this add this is the if condition in BB. Should if show then 0 else me point with. So this, so that you can see the entire code. And then transition point run. And then let's do the while me point left not equals to if show 0 then me point with, then application do that. Okay, just will be if not show else this, so we will erase the event. Erase
event close, which we will pass the panel itself and then a new event arguments. That's it. And then we will remove the handler to the form resize that we attached earlier. So remove handler owner point resize address of, what's the name of the, that's owner resize. Okay, and then we will remove the panel to the form. Okay,
owner point remove controls point remove me, then me point dispose to clean up everything. Then loaded equals true. Then we'll call the resize form, and then raise an event, the show. Oops, me, then you event. So basically
this part we are already done. We're done with the panel template. Okay, so look at this code and compare this. Little bit much longer because some of the codes are under the designer. Okay, so now we will just create our first panel. Let's just, which we will inherit the slide panel template. add user control. Let's call it panel 1. Okay, let's go to the designer, inherits, slide panel. Okay, let's just check if we inherit. Oops, this one we need to change this to metro control. Metro framework controls metro user control, so that we need to change our slide panel to inherit the metro user control, so that whenever we change our theme, it will also change. Okay, so I think that's it. Let's move on to the panel designer, slide panel. Then let's create
New. Sub new. Let's try to execute. Okay, so we will have an error because we didn't. As you can see here, we have a form base that should accept form. Okay, so owner, form, as form. Okay, then let's just go my base, new, oops, new, dot, new, owner, and then initialize component, and then me, put style manager, put update. Oops, let's see, character is not valid, oops, I forgot to remove that. Run, then check the other error, constructor is, oops, should be sub new, sorry.
remove sub new. Okay, basically that's it. Let's try to execute. So we should see our form. Okay, so now we will attach the panel 1 to our form. Okay, so panel 1. So let's just copy some of the controls inside this to panel 1, so that we can see if it's really showing. Okay, so on this main form C#, just copy the panel, the button, and
Okay, let's try dim, panel, as new, panel, PNL1, me. Then let's just go, panel, point, so wipe, true. Oops, sorry. Let's try.
that's it. We already successfully converted our panel slider or metro panel slider to VV. I think we forget something, to attach the handlers, the events to the form. So let's create a function that will accept the
Private, sub, PNL, close, sender, as object, E dash event items. Enter, let's create another one. Show. Then let's add another. Apps, add handler, PNL, close, address up, close. Address up, apps, PNL, close. Copy. Let's copy this. Then change this to shown. That's it. So let's just okay, see if it
will be triggered. Show. See, it's triggered. Okay. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you learned something new on how to convert C# project to VV. Thank you very much.